Good morning from our second full day here at Bunree. Today we're going to just go for a walk around the area and probably cross the ferry foot passengers to the other side. So we'll probably do that today. I think we're going to go try and find Inchcree Falls. Lovely view again. Well, there's a waterfall just outside.
Yeah,
Isn't there?
Yeah.
So there's the site. And we'll walk up this way. You don't know all this when you drive down, do you?
No.
Quite a deep bit of water there, isn't it? Hopefully get some nice views. Like I say, we'll go across on ferry.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's brightening up anyway. Welcome to Bunree Caravan and Motorhome Club side. Site full. No tents. So we'll go up this way. Yeah, you wouldn't think it's all down this little lane, would you? Where you turn off. That busy hay road.
It's a busy road, that is.
It is. So that's Inchcree. Small little hamlet, isn't it, really, Inchcree?
Oh.
So it's a small little hamlet, really, Inchcree. And then you've got a great lodge park. Yeah, there's probably a lot more residents in Lodge Park, isn't there?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, than what there is in Little Village, or Hamlet. It's not very high on that one anyway, is it? Mm. Yeah, we definitely have some tree felling round here. Must be going to Forestry Commission. You'd expect with it being a Sunday that there'd be a lot more cars coming along to this area, wouldn't it, for some walks.
Yeah.
They're all heading towards Fort William, all them cars, aren't they?
Probably.
Or Ben Nevis, or that area.
Yeah.
That's parking, footpath and the viewpoint.
Let's turn round.
Also it says waterfall and Drockyard Trail. Right, it's got a red marker, so keep to the red markers.
I haven't got a red.
There.
I've got a red one back, yeah.
That's a good thing, isn't it? Saves burning table and everything. On picnic bench. Yeah, we like a marked trail, don't we? And a circular one. Well, from the picture they look spectacular waterfalls anyway. Hopefully there's some stunning views of the Loch Linnhe when we go up there as well. Is this the first bridge? Well, I hope this ain't coming from waterfall. Yeah, hopefully that's just a little stream that runs into a bigger river. Oh no, you got an incline. Doing some mountaineering now. I know you've got a path you can follow as well. Fresh air. If it's like this always, not so bad.
No.
Last few little wildflowers. Everything's dying off, isn't it now? You can just see Loch Linney down there. Yes, so you get that view just slightly up, don't you? Stunning. You see him now? Yeah. Well, that weren't far, were it? Yeah. Over and all, isn't it? Oh, that were lovely colours when a few months ago. Well, weeks back. Yeah. There's a peak of the waterfall. Hey, it's certainly a good path though, isn't it? Views are getting better as you get further up. So that's the waterfalls. That was certainly nice to see. We'll go a bit further up now. See any more. Nice view. No.
I think it goes down that way, but that's good.
Mist clearing around those hills now. Well, I'm certainly glad we found this walk. Well, we'll carry on a bit more. Steep enough hill though. She's found a bench. Taking the view. Well, that's as close as you can get to a waterfall without taking your life in your own hands, which I'm not going to. Well, it's certainly a nice circular walk anyway. Apart from helicopter flying above, it is peaceful. Yes, it's well worth the climb. It is a bit steep in places, but you take it steady.
It's alright for us, but
yeah,
it is a bit steep.
Try and get a nice view down here. Beautiful, isn't it? The words of stunning.
Yeah.
Well worth the walk. And the view. We'll follow the road down then. So we'll walk our way to the Corran Ferry then.
Yeah.
Go across there, because foot passengers can go free. Don't look to be much up the other side, but we'll have a look. It's every 30 minutes anyway.
Yeah.
Now that's a strange thing to find, isn't it? A little fairy house. I don't know what arrow's for. Is there something hidden behind there? No. Somebody's gone to great care to put that there. Little fairy chalet. Remote little chalet. You'd be alright with that, wouldn't you? With your own waterfall at side of you. Yeah, when we get back to Main Road, it's about half a mile into it to ferry. To get down onto that busy road down there. You'd have thought you'd have seen Caravan Site from up here, but it's well hidden, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, at least it's a circular walk. Yeah, if you'd only come a couple of weeks ago, this had to have been full bloom, wouldn't it? Yeah. Or is it just going over, isn't it? Like I say, if you come up the roadway, it's a gentler climb, isn't it? Yeah. But then you got them rocky bits to go.
Yeah, but that's
go down to the waterfall, haven't you?
It's a nice route.
Yeah.
I didn't find that very.
No. You also get some mini waterfalls as well. Yeah, I think we're on to where forestry's been clearing woodland. Certainly smell the pine, can't you? Yeah, they certainly cleared some trees there, haven't they? They're getting ready to plant some new ones.
Yeah.
We might as well, haven't we? Yeah. Probably take you to the car park. What's XOXO?
I don't know.
Somebody marked it anyway. With the love heart. You caught on a bramble. Bramble's grabbing you. I think he just cuts corner off on that road.
Probably.
No, I mean, this path, yeah. Yes, the leaves are turning, aren't they?
Yep.
Soon be some lovely autumn colours.
Good time to come up though.
Yeah, it is. It's amazing how many variations of green there is, isn't it? In nature. A moss bank. That's lovely walk, that. So by the time we get back to the road, we've done about 3 miles. And that's walking from site as well.
Yeah.
This morning.
No, it's not far.
No. We'll find the ferry terminal. Don't think it's hard to find because there's not much else there. So, high wire adventure climb. Whitewater rafting. Canoeing. Bit of an adventure area this one, isn't it? Vertical descents. Yeah. Shame it's closed. Karen could have gone on a whitewater rafting or a high wire. It's not for you, that, is it? High wire and white water rafting. You like your gentle strolls. Right, we'll walk the road back. Well worth the walk. You can't beat a waterfall, can you?
No.
Beat big, beat small. Here we're getting closer to the road.
Yeah.
So that was the straight across from the Bunree side. Oh, we've got a quiet road. So we'll walk up to Corran now. So there's the sign for the ferry just ahead. Right. Down that way. That's a good bronze statue. I think it's bronze. Right, so here we are where the ferry comes off. Or docks, and we're going across that side. Well, that's saying 25th and 26th of December, 1st and 2nd of January, so that's bank holidays, isn't it? Well, it looks like we're not going to go on a ferry.
That's a shame.
It is a shame. Not looking forward to that. It is a shame, I don't know why, but it's, like I say, it's anchored up there, isn't it? You'd have to go on the website and find out why. So that's where we were going to go, across there, but unfortunately, the ferry's not running. Yeah, that's where the ferry should have taken us. Unfortunately, it's not running. Well, at least we've seen a boat. And he don't say not running. It's a big yellow sign, so whether it's been taken off altogether, I don't know.
Compact road.
Well, that lady went across on it when we arrived.
49 minutes ago.
49 minutes ago.
Oh, well, that's about right. Due to technical difficulties, the ferry service was suspended this morning, which is the 18th.
Yeah, best laid plans.
Yeah, that's about right.
So it was suspended on the 18th, which
Yeah,
was...
so you would have got across.
Yeah, today. So we would have got across yesterday.
Alright.
Never mind. All best laid plans. Well, you're closer to Corran now than you...
Yeah.
You're just... Actually, that, because that I'd say, because it's only 10 quid for a car, I think.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Cycles and pedestrians are free.
You've just been
But it saved you a right lot of fuel.
Yeah. Look round, lighthouse.
Yeah. Yeah, you got lighthouse there.
Yeah.
You can look.
No, it's swim.
It only happens to us. Never mind. We'll walk back. Well, at least we've had a walk. You've seen where the ferry goes from. I know, I were. Just that little ferry trip across.
That's what she said, that one. Well, we just thought we'd go on because it's a ferry. I said, yeah, why would you not?
Right, looking forward to that, weren't you?
Yeah. Never mind, we've got a ferry to look forward to, haven't we?
Yeah, we are planning to go across to Mull when we get down to Oban, aren't we?
Well, that's unless the ferry's out.
Yeah. I was about to say.
Fingers crossed.
Knowing our luck. Right, so here we are. Back at the caravan. Right, we'll just have to sit here and have a look at the view. I don't think we're going to do anything else today. Just relax and chill out. Been a good walk that though. You say those two have been all over the loch, haven't they?
Yeah.
Fishing. It's got to be like a dredger because it's lower water coming down than going up in it. So whether it's dredging up there and then going out to sea and dumping. I know it's got loads of pipes on it.
Yeah, it has,
So that was nearly a 6-mile walk. So I think we'll have a sandwiches, nice sandwich and a cup of tea. Get chairs out. It's a bit chilly, but not too bad. So that's the end of that video. Hope you enjoyed that walk to the waterfall and the non-existent ferry ride we were going to take. If you did, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that little notification bell to tell you when we've uploaded some more videos. So until the next video, which will probably be on the Jacobite from Fort William to Maylag tomorrow, we'll see you then. Bye for now.